yang bercakap venue meadow bedrek kain kain para bercakap di banyak tahun saya dia kata.
For that matter, we are holding this meeting to create awareness. We're not planning to close down any schools. Some schools are having exams too, so there's no planning of closing the schools. But then we have to preempt, children will be stranded. We want to avoid that situation. Therefore, we want to create this alert to the public to make necessary arrangements.
Category parkings for our lounge customers. So we've got an HSBC lounge parking and we have a Rexa lounge parking. So we have that parking entry happening from gate number 1 and their parking is within ground number 2. So this is only for customers who have bought lounge tickets.